Hey, Mike. Mike. Mike, what day is it? Huh? What day is it, Mike? That's right. It's hump day. What's up, YouTube? Coming to you from mid-shaft of the Salton Sea. Big adventures are afoot today. We're headed to Borrego Springs. Check out some dinosaurs and dragons and other stuffs.
Sculptures.
Come with us, won't you? Borrego Springs, fun fact, they have more than 130 of these metal things all over the place, strewn about the desert here. That's pretty cool. The big guy, he's easy to spot. See that guy over there? How about that guy over there? How about this one right here? Could you imagine being out here at dusk? That'd scare the living bejesus out of you. There's another one right there. Velociraptors everywhere. Crazy. That's cool. Oh no, he's got me! He's got me! It appears as though some motorsports fan has been doing donuts around the elephant.
Huge.
Huge.
That's hilarious. And there's one. Baby. That's cute. Cool. Alright. On to the next batch.
Oh, the serpent. That's one happy turtle. Look at the look on his face. He's so happy. Oh, look. More elephants. Very cool. Camel over there. And way off in the distance, scorpion. Scorpion.
Oh my god, so cool.
That's the biggest grasshopper I've ever seen. Look at the size of that thing. And all metal too. He's a little hollow in the head.
What is it?
What the heck is that? I don't know.
A mouse? A squirrel?
A big Simon?
Here,
a serpent.
here's the one we've been excited for.
One of the biggest pieces here is this serpent. It's 350 feet long and goes on the other side of the road. Let's get it from the air. Oh, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, if you're ever in the Borrego Springs area, this was one of the coolest things we've done since we've been here. And, I mean, we definitely didn't see them all, but it was neat. There's a little bit of off-roading involved, and the designs were super cool. Anything you want to add?
No,
That's it.
that's it.
So we are driving back to Desert Hot Springs. We're going to scope out some possible boondocking spots on the way home, and we will see you guys soon. Sweet. Thank you for watching.
Bye
Bye
for
for
now.
now. Ooh.
Okay, let's try my little fun fact thing over again. Borrego? Borrego? Borrego?
Borrego?
Borrego?